So here we have Ron's VE SS Wagon with a Pontiac front. We've just done a full build on the thing. It has DART427, Harrop 2650 Supercharger, built RVO transmission, Harrop TrueTrac, Shockworks coilovers, keeping in the theme of Harrop, Harrop's Forgeline wheels with Harrop's forged ultimate brake kit. Ron specifically built this car to go to Summernats, cruise the streets with his son, have fun. You can do it in comfort, and it can blow tyres off at Summernats. So we've got the DART427. It's got all the fruit inside it. Higgins CNC ported cylinder heads. It's got CP bullet pistons, I-beam rods, forged crank, the whole lot. Everything you can put at it. It's got our custom PCV catch can setup with BTR rocker covers. Everything to let the thing breathe, especially at this power level. So the engine can handle more than enough that the Harrop 2650 feeds it. Running decent amount of boost for 98. Perfect drivable combo. It's got Harrop's OTR, so everything fits perfect. So we sent the transmission to RVO. They did a full build on the thing, converter, whole lot. So the thing drives like a stock car, nice and cruisable, but it also will handle the power that this thing puts out and the torque, because that's the main thing. We have a Harrop TrueTrac diff in it, nice and strong. Putting the power to the ground, that's what you need. Stock diff just isn't up to the task. We have a full 3-inch Manta system with their ceramic coated headers. Not too invasive, lets the thing breathe, but it's perfectly drivable, especially in a wagon. They do get a lot of drone, so that's something we want to avoid. With going fast, you also have to stop. So we have the first ever production set of Harrop's forged ultimate brake kit. Incredible stopping power, and they weigh next to nothing. And those brakes, they're also hiding behind Harrop's Forgeline wheels that are being custom coated. You certainly can't miss it on the street. It stands out. And the Forgeline wheels, they're wrapped in Michelin Pilot 4S's. Probably one of the best street tires you could buy for the price. They can handle the power, and they actually don't let go. And they're phenomenal in the wet, dry, everything. So great all-round tire. Handling comes from Shockworks. Got their ultimate coilover kit. Keeps the thing planted, driving straight, but is also quite comfortable for what it is. And if you want it to be a track weapon, you can just tighten them up and they're perfectly fine. Coming off the dyno with just over 600 horsepower at the treads, and it's still a perfectly respectable daily driver. I can't count how many times I've done DART427s. They're an incredible engine, strong, reliable, tons of grunt, especially when we put the Harrop 2650 on them. They'll handle it all day, every day, make boatloads of power. If he wants to put it on E85, you can make well over 1,000 horsepower reliably, no worries. Iron block is just the way to go, especially when you want to make the power that people want to make. If you're after a monster build like this, we've got it down to a fine art. For more information, head over to our website. We'll give the guys in the office a call.